Hello guys, today I encountered a Facebook issue uh, called Facebook authentication failed. This issue occurs at two moments. First one when you deactivate your account and want to reactivate again after some time. Then Facebook shows Facebook authentication failed. And the second moment when the issue occurs when someone invite you as admin on his or her page, or when you click on invitation notification, then Facebook shows Facebook authentication failed. How can we solve this issue? For this, you have to follow simple steps. First one first one you go into setting, then you go into apps, then click on manage apps, then you find here Facebook, then click on Facebook, and then go into storage, then at the bottom you see clear data, click on clear data, then click on clear all data, then you okay it. You have to do this just for one time, and then close all the apps, switch off your phone. After switching on your cell phone, then go into Facebook app. Here you put your login details and login. And you people see I successfully login into my account. Keep connected with tech solution. Thank you so much.